I'm Ken Matino. I'm 36 years old. I'm a fashion stylist, a fashion designer, creative director, and hopefully a supervisor for Mandaluyong City. This is my superbad era because this is also the era that I took the courage to step this powerful stage filled with beautiful, gorgeous, inspirational individuals who are already somebodies. And I may be a nobody. But this nobody represents each and everyone who's watching me off stage, who also has a dream that one day they too can become somebody. Thank you.
Thank you. You're definitely not a nobody. Why don't we go ahead and listen to Cristel for your question?
Hi, Kenneth.
Hello.
I love the heels.
Yes.
So I noticed on your application you put that you're joining this year's Superboss because you were insecure, but now you are ready. So my question is, what message can you share to those who are feeling insecure and who are also struggling with low confidence? What is your message to them to encourage them to also be ready just like you?
You know what? I have so many reasons why I joined Century Superbots. And one of the biggest reasons is I was insecure. Years ago, I was 100 pounds heavier while working in an industry where physical beauty really matters most. Because I may be not fit as a traditional commercial model, but that's the reason why I am here. Through my hard work, courage, and hope, I build my confidence to inspire more people. And this is my message to the people. Thank you.
Thank you.
Name number 50.
I'm Superbod Jericho, 33 years old, from the city of San Juan. I stand for promoting local food tourism because this may be a choice for fitness enthusiasts to be adding it into their meal plan. So my take is that I would like to raise awareness for our local consumers. I would like to mention a few important things. First is the conveniency about the food that are available around us, the practicality, the quality, and the affordability. Because realistically, as a Superbod, we have to prepare, and when we prepare, it comes with a cost. It's not only the time that we work out, but the time that we spend also with our foods. So one thing that I would like to share to other people is that the importance of simply knowing. Because as a coach, I would like others to answer the question as well. Because working out is about sets, repetitions, distance, intensity, a matter of how, what, and where. So again, this is Superbod Jericho, and this is my Superbod era.